how to make DIY solar eclipse glasses. To start, grab the supplies you see here. Use a pen to mark the width of your eyes on the cardboard. Grab a shade 14 lens and trace its outline around the pen marks. Using a sharp knife or a pair of scissors, cut the top layer of the cardboard around the outline. While holding the cardboard upright, cut through and around the outline. Grab both shade 14 lenses and insert. Use tape to secure in place. I have black colored tape to ensure all light is blocked, but any type of tape will do. And that's it. Your DIY glasses are now complete and ready to be used during the next solar eclipse. You can buy these shade 14 lenses on our website through the links down below.